Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we'll be picking few cards, Aquarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aquarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aquarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, that reading can answer some questions you may have or clear some doubts. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys, Aquarius. And if any of you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine. She is an intuitive reader. She gives reading in fever, and I have shared her link in the description. So if you are interested, you can contact her, Aquarius. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. We have 8 of air, 9 of water, and messenger of earth. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who is really committed, practical, and you are a hard working person. So whatever choices you make, you try to stand by those choices, try to do things the right way, and you are a very dedicated person, devoted, and you try to give your best shot, whatever it may be. And you are a person with lot of grit and perseverance. So you strive hard with dedication to make things go in the right way, trying to be really, trying to do your best to see the best in any circumstances, to get the best. And today, maybe on certain things, your wishes are coming true. You are really happy about something. There is some kind of clarity today. It may be the case in your relationship. So you have a lot of clarity, you have a better understanding, you are seeing things clearly now, seeing things truthfully as it is. Maybe in this relationship you were having some doubts or confusion, maybe you were expecting something and you were thinking of this person in a particular way, having your own dreams about them, having your own expectations about them. But today you are seeing the truth and you have that strength to see the truth, courage to see what this person is and what is the reality. Maybe you're seeing beyond your dreams or beyond your illusions, maybe for some of you. And you are really happy that you are seeing the truth today, hearing the truth maybe. And because all these days you were having some kind of an illusion about this person, maybe it would have been your dreams or it would have been your expectations. But knowing the truth today, you are really happy because things are clearing up between you both. Maybe whatever misunderstanding would have been there, all that is clearing up and you are seeing better circumstances today, some kind of happiness. Things are clearing up between you both and you see yourself moving towards a positive, meaningful relationship, and all that stressful times you had, all that is clearing up, and you are really happy for the way your circumstances are today. Maybe you know the truth today, and all those negative toxic emotions you both had towards each other has disappeared. And this situation, it can go either way. Maybe it can go towards patching up things or reconciliation, or also for some of you knowing the truth, this person may leave you, it may even lead to separation. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's two of water. So I see a happy outcome with this card. This is what we picked for your relationship. So you both have that mutual understanding, love, and trust in this relationship, and this connection is going to work for your Aquarius. That is what I see, guys. So for your career, we picked one card, and it is Hanged Man. So maybe there are certain things you need to decide on today, something that may not be clear for you. You may not know what will be the right choice or what will work towards the best for you. Right now, the best way to handle your circumstances is having that acceptance. Wait and see what is coming, maybe what opportunities are reaching you. Maybe it will be for the best. So whether you get good opportunities or whether it may be something, it may look like something not so good, but it will be working in a magical way, guys. So you need to let go of your expectations and surrender to the divine will that is happening in your career situation. So that is the energy with these cards, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. Hello, hello, hello. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, Purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that, and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded, kindness will always succeed. So you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So you are going through a lot. So these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature, and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences. And these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So, whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So, that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path, thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear, give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening, and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. Your all your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest, and you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.